This is everything you need to know to create a DIY decorative screen. Hey, my name's Marja. If you've always liked the look of breeze blocks, why not create a similar look using decorative screens? They're quick, easy and effective. Let's get into it. The design here is an L shape, so we're going to have 3 screens on this side and 2 on the other. We're going to set up a string line first to make sure that our screen stays straight. Place a picket at your starting point, 2 at the corner point, 1 for each post, and another on the other end point. Tie the string line tightly from one point and stretch it around the center pickets and then finish up on the other corner. The string should be as tight as you can get it. Once the string line is perfectly straight, it's time to mark the post holes. Use the measurements of the screens between the posts to guide where they need to go. Then mark them with a marking paint. Next, grab a shovel and get digging. My post is going to sit 1800 mil above the ground, so I need to dig my hole 600. Before inserting our post, we're going to paint the part that goes into the ground with bitumen paint. This will prevent it from rotting. Use a paintbrush to simply brush it on. Wait until it's dried completely and then you can pop it in the ground. While I'm here, I'm going to finish painting the rest of the timber as well. You can use any finish you like. Today I'm using white paint. It's concrete time. Add water first, then the concrete mixture according to the ratio on the bag to a toothpaste consistency to ensure there's no dry spots. Now you can go ahead and pour the concrete into the hole, filling it almost to the top. Now, we'll need to make sure that our post is straight and plumb. To do this, brace it with 2 pieces of timber. Attach one to one side with a clamp and another piece opposite that one. These will support the post while the concrete dries. Check the post is plumb by using a spirit level on all sides. Measure the height of the screens and then mark that on the posts. Use a square to trace that mark around the post, that way you'll get a nice even cut. We're going to construct a frame to attach our screens to. I'm going to build mine before attaching it to the posts. If you need to, measure, cut and paint all of your timber before joining it together with screws. Now it's time to attach your frame to the posts with exterior screws. All that's left to do is attach the screens to the frame. Slide the screens all the way to the top of the post and then just screw them in. Just to make it easier, pre-drill some holes in the screen beforehand. And there you have it, a super stylish area in your backyard that's screened off but still lets in light and airflow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.